This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The air filter housing is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. To improve access, rotate the screen wash reservoir filler neck anti-clockwise a little and put it upwards from place. On TDI engines, depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the airflow meter. Release the clamp and disconnect the air outlet duct from the air filter cover. Release the two clips at the inner edge of the air filter cover. Unclip the wiring harness. Pull up and remove the air filter cover. Remove the old filter element. Wipe clean the filter housing and remove any debris. Locate the new filter element into the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Maneuver the cover into place, ensuring the outer edge engages correctly with the housing. Close the retaining clips at the inner edge of the cover and clip the wiring harness back into place. Reconnect the air outlet duct to the cover. Reconnect the airflow meter wiring plug. Secure the air duct with the clamp. Refit the filler neck to the screen wash fluid reservoir, then rotate it clockwise to secure it.